Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to provide two choices to a student using objects. You may use pictures or an eye gaze communication device. So first I'm going to start by telling the student that it's time to put on his coat. So we're going to say, it's time to put on your coat. Find the coat. Now it's important to make sure that the student is scanning both of their choices prior to making a selection. And if you're unable to see what choice he's making, or if they're not making a choice, we're going to start by giving them a verbal prompt. Brett, look at the coat. Find the coat. It's time to put on your coat. Something like that. Now, if the student is still not looking at the correct choice, or at either of his choices, then we can move on to a point prompt or a physical prompt. Now I know it's tricky if you're using objects and you only have two hands, so I'm not actually able to point to the coat, but I'm going to physically show him, Brett, here's the coat. It's time to put on your coat. You need to look at the coat. And then give him a moment to scan his choices and look at the coat. Good job, you found your coat. It's time to put on your coat. And praise the student when they have not made the correct choice.